how to answer calls without saying a word in Phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone application. From here, tap on the menu button at the top. And from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Text Call. At the top here, make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn on text call. And then the phone can answer calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they are calling, and you will see what they say in a text chat. Then you can type or tap responses that will be read aloud to the caller. From here, you can choose a language. You can set a voice, so you can add in more voices. So here we can tap on the download button to add in a different voice pack. So we'll wait for that to finish. Okay, from here we can then now choose voice 1 or voice 2.
This is what it sounds.
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.